How's it going, boys? Johnny Superb Man here, and it's that time once again. Time for some more shootout commentaries. And this time we're going to use my Toronto Maple Leafs hometown Leafs, baby. That's right. And you know, I know I've used them in the past, but I got to use them again. They're playing great right now. They just lost to the Philadelphia Flyers the other night, but that's okay. They just came off a great point streak. Looks like they are going to be a playoff team finally, but I'm not giving into it just yet because unless they actually clinch that spot, I'm still expecting them to not make the playoffs just because that's just the way I am. I don't want to get my expectations up for them to be like destroyed. But still, they're playing good. Now, hang on a second here. Let me get Lupul in there. Bozak, Grabovski. Definitely not Grabovski. What do I need? I need, you know what? Friggin' Fraser McLaren. This guy's playing outstanding this year. This guy, heavyweight, buddy. No one can take on Fraser. And Bozak, you know what? No, we'll go with JVR. Yeah, I want to talk a little bit about JVR. And Jim Reimer. He's established himself as the starter. That's right. I mean, Scrivy, he's still getting some starts. I even thought that there in the middle of the season there, that Scrivy was actually playing a little bit better than Reimer. But it seems like Reimer's getting the majority of the start. So technically the coaches, or no, not technically, obviously the coaches are going for him. But the Toronto Maple Leafs, man, we're playing good. We really are. And if we could just make those playoffs, you never know. The first round could be a upset round. I expect us to lose in the first round, especially if we go up against a team like Pittsburgh or Boston. But still, you know, with us healthy in the first round, just because, you know, after the first round, you're going to have some injuries. But healthy in the first round with our speed, I mean, if the goaltending is there, that's the big question. If, you know, because I do think that the goaltending might not be there. You never know. Hang on a second here, Kessel. Let's just rip it, baby. Oh, it's in. Is it in? What? He doesn't even reach behind him. He's just like, yeah, that's not in. Oh, my God. How did that stay out? Phil Kessel, nice try. That's all right. You're never that good in a shootout anyways. It's all gravy, baby. But I think we could be a team that could upset somebody in the first round. You never know. And Jim Reimer, you know what I got to do, baby? The flying poke checker, Rooney. That's right. Let's establish ourselves as a flying poke checker. That way we'll get in his head and maybe he'll slow down next time. But, you know, I mean, guys like Nazem Kadri, this guy, oh my God, thank God we didn't trade him for Roberto Luongo. Thank God. Holy crap. Can you believe that? Now, hang on a second. I'll try a little move here. Big cut. Watch this. Cut. Oh, it's still winning. All right, it went in. I thought for sure after he saw me go through the legs, he'd think I'm going backhand and go to the right, but I wanted to quickly cut back. It works on computers a lot, but there you go. Nazem Kadri, baby. This guy, point-of-game player. I mean, I'm tempted to say he's our best Leaf. I'm not going to go there just yet because Joffrey Lupul looks amazing when he is healthy. But this guy, if he keeps it up, man, he's not a small player. He plays with a big heart. He gets in there. He's gritty. He can score. He can pass. Oh, Nazem Kadri, baby. Future Leaf captain, maybe? Oh, my God. I'm too busy praising Kadri's. Oh, my. I don't even know what to say right now. Jesus. Backhander, short side. I gave that right to him. Zuccarello, are you freaking kidding me? All right, let me pay attention to the shots here, boys. Joffrey Lupul, stay healthy, buddy. Oh, you're so good when you're healthy, too. That's why. Let's do a bait dragger. Yeah, I kind of did it with Kessler already, but whatever. We'll do it again. Whoa! What? That went low as hell. I aimed top right. What happened? Was I just too close to him? It didn't raise? Oh, I don't even know what happened there. I thought I aimed top right. I don't even know. I might have just gotten too close to him. Whatever. Mike Richards. Can you believe they're talking about buying this guy out, possibly? I mean, Jesus. 2 years ago. Top free agent. Oh, my God. Again. Catches me with a quick backhander. God damn it. I got to stop talking. But I was saying, 2 years ago or 3 years ago, whenever he was signed, top prospect in free agency. Not prospect, top free agent. You know, he signed how many years for how many dollars per year, and now they're talking about buying him out. All these long-term contracts now with the amnesty buyout this year. Every team is considering it. It's crazy. Briz as well, and JVR, Mr. Heavy Legs himself. Oh, my God. This guy, man. Amazing at the beginning of the year, but Jesus, it's like he doesn't even try now. Hang on a second. One-handed windmill. Oh, my God. Like, if he... I don't know. I saw brilliance at the beginning of the year, using that body, really getting in there, moving those legs. But recently, I know he scored the other night against Philly, but it's almost like he just, you know, fades off to the boards. He doesn't get stuck in. Doesn't use that body anymore. Doesn't move those legs. Oh, my God. Oh, Reimer, Jim Reimer. If Jim Reimer could play like that in the playoffs, yeah, buddy, we'll do good. But you know what? That's the weird thing about Reimer. He'll make amazing saves, but then he'll just give up little ones, or he won't be able to control the puck behind the net and cause a turnover or something like that, you know? Kyle McClaren. All right, here we go. You know what? I got a crazy move here. I don't think it's going to work, but we're going to try it anyways. Here it comes. Oh, my God. He actually got it off. I actually got it off the windmill to the one-handed, but I did the Did the one-handed wrong, but it still got on the net, but the goalie didn't move. Fraser McLaren, I can't believe he pulled it off. All right, Brian Boyle, what you got for me, son? He's going to win it here. I know it. He's going to win it. He's going to win it. Oh, Jim Reimer. He just got him with the flying poke check Rooney. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Oh, my God. That was close. That was close. All right, all right. I don't have the lead. No, I can't set up the superb bench yet. Garbajovsky. Oh, my God. This guy, we've got to buy him out. We can't deal with his 5-year, $5.5 mil. He's making more than Lupul. Please. Buy his ass out. Watch this. Garbajovsky spin. Ah, he didn't spin, but it still went in. It didn't spin, but it still went in. Good job, Garbo. That's what I'm talking about. But seriously, we signed him when we didn't think we had a first or second line center. When Bozak was our first and Garbo was our second. Now, with the emergence of the Nazem Kadri, I mean, he could be our first line center. You never know if he keeps on putting up points like that. And Bozak is a decent second line center, so you don't need Garbajovsky's contract anymore, son. Get rid of him. There you go. Jim Reimer, and get rid of the New York Rangers. That's what I'm talking about. So, Toronto fans, I mean, I hope we make the playoffs. It is looking like we are going to be a playoff team. But, I mean, you never know. We could lose 10 in a row. I wouldn't put it past the Toronto Maple Leafs. And if we do make the playoffs, you know, there's a lot of teams out there. I think a lot of the teams would be able to beat us in the first round. But with our speed, with our toughness, if the goaltending is there and if our offense doesn't go cold, you never know. We may be able to push a team to 7, and in a game 7, you never know what could happen. And my goodness gracious, you know what I would love to see? Win or lose, I would love to see the Toronto Maple Leafs versus the Montreal Canadiens in the first round of the playoffs, all right? How long has it been since a playoff round between those two teams? I mean, the rivalry, the games would be so exciting. Win or lose, it would be a great series, and I wish it would happen. All right, boys, so there you go. For Johnny Superb, man, and the Great Domsky, take it easy, and we'll see you next time.